Hello guys, thanks for clicking on this video. So in this video I will be showing you a very easy and simple recipe for breakfast. Today I will be making egg and potatoes for breakfast, so stay tuned as I take you through. If this is your first time seeing my videos, I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much as you do so. So for this recipe we will be using our normal white potatoes or Irish potatoes. So you go ahead and peel your potatoes. After peeling your potatoes, just cut them into your desirable sizes. You can cut them either long as French fries or you can cut them in round shapes. So I'll just go ahead and cut them into small slices as you can see. Then I'll rinse them and add some salt to taste. Now my potatoes is ready to fry, so I will go on and bring my frying pan to heat. Then I will add some vegetable oil. I'm using the sunflower oil, if you must know. Just go ahead and fry your potatoes. Fry it until you attain a golden brown color. While my potatoes is frying, I will go ahead and prepare my vegetables. I will be using some celery, tomatoes, onion, just to add more color into the egg. You can use whatever vegetable that you feel like using. My first batch of potatoes is ready. As you can see, I've attained this golden brown color. I will bring my egg to this, so I will add some salt, seasoning cubes, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, and also some dry herbs just to give it more taste. I will go ahead and pour the egg mixture into the potatoes and fry everything together, just as you can see. I will allow it to fry again for about 1 minute, and then our egg and potato recipe will be ready. Just look at that, the flavor is so delicious. This is a must-try recipe. If you haven't yet tried this recipe, please make sure to try it. And when you try it, do not forget to come back and leave me a comment under this video to let me know that you did try it. So that is it. That is our recipe, egg and potatoes recipe. Just look at that. Look how delicious and colorful it looks. So easy. And this is a recipe that your whole family can enjoy from. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to put your notification bell when you subscribe, so that whenever I post a video or a recipe, you will be the first to get that notification. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.